family, Marla here. Today I'm going to be cooking up a toasted barley with broccoli salad. This is so easy to prepare and it's vegan for those of you who are doing no animal products. A super versatile recipe. You can have it as a side dish or a main. Great for spring and summer entertaining outside. A truly versatile dish. So toasting your barley in this is very important. It really brings out the flavor of the barley, so don't skip that step. Also, I've included some toasted pecans at the end to finish it because they just add so much. They add some protein, flavor, and they hold you a little bit longer. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm ready to take a taste of this salad. Guys, this is so healthy. I'm stoked. Taste testing says make some today.